She killed him because him find out say Pitney wasn't his and he wanted back some money. So again, paternity fraud in Jamaica, aka jacket. Jamaica has one of the highest rates in the world. Believe it or not, Jamaica tend to lead in whatever they do, and this is one of those things where Jamaica is the leading in terms of jacket giving. But before I continue, sure that you like, follow, share, and comment. So this young man found out that the child wasn't his, and allegedly, according to what I read on the Star, he and his, well, baby mother got into an altercation about it because he posted the child on his status with a song being played, basically saying that he wanted back his money that he spent on the child, given that he's not the father. However, due to that, they got into an altercation in which she stabbed him. He was rushed to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. She, on the other hand, suffered some bruises to her face and neck and is in police custody. Men, let me tell you this. Get a paternity test. Get a paternity test. It might sound expensive because maybe it's about 40, 30,000, 20,000 around there. But trust me, if you care or if you have doubts, that 40 to 20 or $50,000 is way less than what you would spend in terms of being emotionally attached to this child and the amount of money that you will spend. But these are just my thoughts. What are yours? Have you heard about this story? And I'm gonna try and pin the link to the Gleaner, to the Star article so you can read it. I've been hearing about it, but honestly I didn't see any reputable sources, so I didn't want to do anything on it until I got some reputable source.